Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta ang ating mga goddess dyan? So, ano kayang message ng person mo and the universe for you? Earth signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, let's see kung anong message sa'yo ni person sa ating earth signs natin. Anong message? Let's pick two cards para sa ating air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Anong message ni person sa'yo? So, tingnan natin. Message sa'yo ni person, air signs, you know my secrets, and I have addictions, accept that. So sinasabi sa'yo dito, air signs, na take what's resonate, kayo yung nakakaalam. Kayong nakakaalam kung sino ito, di ba, sa person nyo. So, sinasabi ng person mo is, you know my secrets daw, and accept his addiction, di ba? Kumaga, parang siguro hindi niya na kayang alisin man yun. So, it's up to you, earth signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius daw, na sinasabi niya, accept mo daw yung kanyang addictions, di ba? Ayun ang secrets niya na alam mo. So, it's up to you, di ba? So, ayan ang message sa'yo ni person mo. And, ano kayang message naman ni universe para sa ating mga earth signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Message sa'yo ni universe. 2 cards din. Tingnan natin. So, what is this? Parang ang gulo no? Accept offer, water sign. But then, tingnan mo naman. Fake offer, water sign. So, parang nakakatawa, no? Accept offer sa water sign, but then, meron ding fake offer from the water sign. So, maybe, syempre, hindi lang naman iisa ang water sign, right? So, maybe daw, kayo ang dapat pag-isipan yung mabuti ito. Ito yung sinasabi sa inyo. Merong mga offer na okay, but then meron ding offer na fake lang. Siguro gusto lang kayong isahan, something like that. So, be mindful, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, before accepting some offers, di ba? From a water sign. So, di ba? So, yun, parang guidance lang naman ito from, di ba, sabi ni universe, na you can accept an offer with a water sign, but then, you will have to be mindful then, dahil there is a fake offer then from a water sign, di ba? Siyempre, siguro magkaibang tao naman ito, no? Parehas lang silang water sign. So, that's it. So, tignan nyo muna kung anong take what's resonate sa inyo, di ba? Pwede namang mangyari yan or hindi. Nasa sa inyo yan, air signs. So, that's it. Yan ang message sa inyo ng inyong person and ni universe. So, good luck sa inyo, air signs. Like and subscribe sa ating channel. See you again. Thank you. Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo dyan again, mga goddess ko? So ngayon, tingnan natin kung may message ba sa inyo ang inyong person and si universe, kung anong message nila for you. For the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, anong message ni person sa inyo? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Let's pick 2 cards for the fire signs. Anong message ni person sa inyo? So, eto, message ni person, immature, so what? And sex workers, fun. So, maybe baka wala na kayo na tong person na to, no? Baka ito yung na-discover mo sa person mo, no, before. So, take what's resonate. So, ito ang message niya or ito ang nakita mo sa person mo, right? So, immature. So, what daw? Parang wala siyang pakialam kung immature siya. So, sinasabi rin niya dito, sex workers are fun. So, yun. So, napaka-immature ng person mo. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, that's it. Kung sino lang pong makaka-resonate dito sa merong ganitong person, right? So, medyo parang red flag talaga yung person nyo, no? So, let's see. Message naman ni universe sa inyo, fire signs. Let's pick a 2 cards. So, speaker, truth, advisor, trust. What is this? Trustworthy, reliable. So, sinasabi sa inyo dito ni universe, ano daw kayo, trustworthy daw kayo na tao, fire signs. Maybe you are an advisor, di ba? Reliable din kayong tao. So, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang ganyan yung character, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, di ba? Pagiging totoo nyo, tuloy-tuloy nyo na lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yan. And then, doors will be opening. Be open to receive. So, there is a blessings coming for you, fire sign, sabi ni universe. So, claim it, mga fire sign. Ang message sa inyo ni universe, di ba? Blessing will be coming on your way. Doors are opening for you, fire sign. So, that's a good message aside lang dun sa message ni person mo. So, disregard nyo na lang yung ganun na red flag message, right? So, that's it. So, good luck sa inyo, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And God bless you all. So, that's it. Thank you. Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo dyan? Again, mga goddess ko. So, let's see kung anong message sa inyo ng inyong person and message ni Universe for you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, let's see kung anong message ni person nyo sa inyo, mga Earth signs natin dyan. Anong message ni person nyo sa inyo? Let's take 2 cards. Ano kayang message ni person nyo? Earth signs, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, you have this lonely without you, and I'm sorry daw. So, take what's resonate, kung sino lang makaka-relate dito. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, sabi sa ni person mo is, malungkot daw siya dahil wala ka. So, maybe may separation na nangyari or may tampuhan dito. Sorry na daw. Sabi sa inyo ng person mo, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Diba? Malungkot daw siya and I'm sorry. Diba? Malungkot siya na wala ka daw sa kanya. So, that's it. Tingnan naman natin anong message sa'yo ni Universe, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong message sa'yo ni Universe? So, let's see. Manifestor, anything. So, maybe for some of you, Earth sign. So, kahit naman sino, lahat naman tayo, di ba? Basta maniniwala lang tayo, di ba? Manifest daw. Kung ano man tong mga minamanifest nyo, di ba? Kung may kakayahan kayo, for some of you na, kahit anong i-manifest nyo is mangyayari, right? Meron kayong ability na ganyan na kaya nyo i-manifest kung ano man yung gusto nyo na mangyayari at mangyayari agad dyan for you, di ba? Basta ano kayo, yung masigasig kayo, alam yung ma-reach nyo yan kung ano man itong minamanifest nyo, di ba? Something like that. Yung sinasabi sa inyo. So, manifest anything na gusto nyo. And at the same time, syempre, kikilos din kayo, right? Para makuha nyo yun kung ano man itong gusto nyong mangyari, di ba? So, ayun. So, meron ding tarot reader. So, maybe for some of you, you are a tarot reader din, like ako, itong ginagawa natin. Or maybe, gusto mo ring maging ganito, o it's a confirmation from universe kung may nagtatanong sa inyo na pwede kaya akong maging ganito, tarot reader. So, it's a confirmation for you na yes, pwede ka, yes, you have the ability to be a tarot reader, di ba? Or for some of you na tarot reader na din. So, i-continue nyo lang yan. So, you have that gift from universe. So, continuous lang and you will help a lot of people, di ba? People. So, that's it for you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, take what resonates and thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe sa ating channel, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And always pray lang tayo kay God para lagi tayong gagabayan everyday, di ba? Right? So, that's it. God bless you all, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And see you again sa next reading natin. And thank you. Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo again? Kamusta kayo mga goddess ko? So, let's see kung anong message sa inyo ni person nyo, and from the universe sa inyo, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see kung anong message ni person sa inyo, ng person nyo sa inyo, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, let's pick a 2 cards for the water signs. So, ito ang message sa inyo ni person nyo. Take what's resonate lang ha. So, I like hooking up with multiple partners. So, maybe you have a person na di ba, na player. And see you daw. So, baka papunta siya sa inyo ngayon. So, baka magkikita kayo nitong person mo. So, kayo lang nakakaalam nito. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, ayan ang message niya sa inyo. See you daw, 'di ba? So, that's it. So, take ang person niya na player, no? Ewan ko kung kayo pa rin ba niyan. So, let's see. Ano bang message sa inyo ni universe? Let's get 2 cards. Message ni universe for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, you have this creativity, progress. So, yun nga, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, show your creativity, di ba? It will help you to progress, to be a successful in your life. Use your, or kumbaga, gamitin mo yung creativity mo, show your creativity, water signs, and with this card, success is on its way. So, yun nga, with your creativity, you will be successful someday or in the future, di ba? Or maybe right now, successful ka, or you'll be successful, di ba? Ganun. Basta huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa sa sarili mo. Alam mong kaya mo. Alam mong may skills ka, may talent ka, water signs. So, use it, di ba? Bihira lang ang mga taong may talents, right? So, gamitin mo siya and it will help you to be successful, di ba? So, that's it for you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Ayun ang message sa'yo ni person mo. See you daw, person mo na who is hooking up with multiple partners. I don't know kung person mo pa rin siya right now. So, and with this card naman, message sa'yo ni universe, success is on its way. So, gamitin mo lang ang iyong creativity, ang iyong talent, ang iyong skills, and you will be successful in that kind of kung ano man yung ginagawa mo right now, right? Diba? Water sign. So, that's it. Thank you for watching, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Until next reading, like and subscribe sa ating channel. That's it. God bless you all and thank you. See you again.